Hi boys and girls. This week we are going to work on 4 square snowmen. So these snowmen or snow girls are in 4 corners. So we are going to design 4 different ones. So you get to decorate their hats and their scarves. So it's like we're looking up at them, right? So what we will do, we're going to start with a square piece of paper. We're going to fold it in half once and fold in half one more time. Really push down on those edges there so we get that crease. All right, now you can open up, and here we have our 4 squares. So each snowman is going to start with this curved line. You may want to turn it so this point is facing you, all right? And I'm going to put my first curve in there. Let me do it with a Sharpie so you can see it. So here's my first one. You should start in pencil for yours, okay? And then if this is my second, and then I'm going to put the head up here. So they get smaller, right? So let me just get this in so you can see. All right, so here's the second snowball, right? That one is smaller than the first one. And then this one is his head. So I added a scarf. I'm working in Sharpie, so I didn't want to go through those lines. So here, I'm going to add his arm, maybe another one over here. I can add buttons, right? You can do whatever you want for your snowmen. You can give them smiles, you can give them different expressions, decide what you want to do. You can give them eyelashes. This one I'm going to give earmuffs. So I'm just going to curve this line here, and that will be her earmuffs. So there is one. Each one of these will use patterns to decorate the scarves and the hats and the nose. I'm not going to do on that one because I want you, rather than doing it in Sharpie, I'm just going to go right into a triangle. Now I went to a point this way, so I'm looking up at that snowman. All right, when you're done, you just turn so this point is facing you, and again you're going to start with your first curve, second curve, getting smaller as we go up, so it looks like we're looking up at that snowman. So you have 3 of these to do in each, 3 more to do in each corner. So plan this in pencil. Do all of yours in pencil first, and decide what you want to put on your snowman. Do you want to have scarves? Are you going to put a hat? Maybe this one is going to wear a hat like this. And eyes, his mouth, buttons, and arms, and his nose. All right, so you're going to do 4 different ones. Keep them right into that square so you can go right up to that other corner, okay? So each one, remember, each one getting smaller as well. And if you are ready, you are going to use watercolors if you have them. So I have some here. You can use, I'm using Good Temper Cakes. When you're painting the background, we're just doing a real light blue. So when I'm using the paints, a lot more water. So I can see here, can you see that little puddle on top? We're going to just use that. And very carefully, all around these snowmen will be a light blue. If I think it's a little too dark, I'll add more water. So for you, I would say go ahead and decorate and color in the scarves and the hats first, and then do all the sky last. All right, so on this one, you know, I can decide if I want to do stripes or polka dots. You decide what each one is going to wear, okay? And have fun with it. When we put them together, they are so much fun. They look like almost like a star. But that will be a surprise when we put them all together. All right, have fun.